perfect rice all the time. Hello my healthy people. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect white rice all the time. You can never mess this up. It's the perfect way to make your rice. Okay, so the rice that I'm going to be cooking with is the Trader Joe's organic balsamic rice. That's the one that I'm going to be using. It's simple and easy to cook with, and it's long grain, and it's absolutely delicious. Keep in mind that you can make this recipe with any rice that you choose. The next thing that you see right next to you is this cup that I'm going to be using as a measuring cup. You can use any cup that you want. I'm just using this one. Look, the kids gave it to me. Beautiful, Mom. Isn't it so sweet? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rice, and like I said, you can use any cup, right? And then I'm just going to pour my rice inside. Just like that. And this is gonna be what I'm gonna use to measure it with. Okay, and as you may see here, I have this cup of rice right there. Next thing that you're gonna do is wash your rice, okay? So I'm gonna pour my rice in this strainer right here, and I'm just gonna wash it. So to wash your rice, you're just gonna have the water, and you're just gonna take it, and you're just gonna go like that. Simple and easy. And then you're just gonna wash it until the water runs clear. So to your heated pot, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, and I am using the vegan butter, Earth Balance. This is gonna give your rice a really nice flavor. Take the rice that you washed and just put it inside of your pot like that. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so now. It is free. If there's a recipe you want me to make, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and I will definitely make it for you. Once we've mixed the butter and the rice together, and we add 1 part rice, so we're gonna add 2 part water. Whatever cup that you use that as well for the water. So I'm adding 2 parts water of the same exact cup. Can't mess this up, guys. 1, 2. Same cup. Can I say that again? Same cup. You're just gonna mix it for a little bit. Add a little bit of salt to taste. You guys know I like to cook with Himalayan salt, so I'm salting to taste. I add my salt to it. I mix it. As per the cooking time that this rice said, it said leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, medium to low heat, 15 to 20 minutes. Leave it alone, guys. Don't touch it, don't look at it. Give it 15 to 20 minutes, low to medium heat. Okay, my healthy people, our rice is finished. It's been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Woo! Look at that. Simple, easy, organic balsamic rice, and just fluff your rice. Perfect rice all the time. Never fails, guys. Never fails. Fluffy, delicious. Use my fork and fluff it a little bit. And that is it. That's all you need to make delicious, fluffy rice all the time. Perfect rice all the time, guys. Simple, easy, and delicious. Gonna give it a taste. Don't forget salt to your taste. Wait. Delicious. Yes, absolutely delicious. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. Just wanted to come on and give you a quick recipe and how to make the perfect fluffy rice all the time. Okay? Don't forget, stay healthy. Thanks for your support on Maxine's Corner. And I'll see you guys next time. And what? I said it already. Say it with me. Stay healthy.